What's up, guys? It's day 2 in Myrtle Beach. Luke is in the shower right now, and then we are actually going down to the lobby of the hotel because our hotel has Starbucks. So we're gonna get some coffee, come back up, eat some breakfast, go back down, do some swimming. Should be fun today. And yeah, so let the fun adventures begin again. Alright, you guys, so this is actually going to be a very special vlog because I don't upload vlogs on the Saturdays. You guys know that. I normally keep it to Saturday and Sunday, but since we're here and I want to do it like how I want to do it with the days and stuff on the titles, this is going to be a very special vlog. Special vlog. How do you feel about the special vlog?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? How do you like this hotel so far after your first swim sesh last night?
It's a lot better than last year.
Mm-hmm.
It's a really nice hotel.
I agree. I love that we got Starbucks right down there. He's gonna take his GoPro in the ocean with him.
You guys will get to see maybe some sharks or something.
Oh my gosh! Hey, this was the day last year, day 2, that you almost stepped on that shark.
I know.
Day 2 was the day.
Hopefully I don't do it again.
Will it happen this year? Let's find out. So we just finished eating some lunch. I've not filmed yet underwater. It's kind of like last year, but it will happen because there will probably be a part in every vlog that's a little bit underwater stuff. But right now, we just finished eating. We're about to go back down. I'm about to take the tape off of these boogie boards. We're probably gonna go boogie boarding. So yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like outside today. Luke's in the bathroom. But anyways, we ate some lunch, like I said. It's pretty nice outside. And yeah, we actually went over and, sorry, the maid was just here, but I'll show you guys what's outside real quick. That's what it looks like. It's fun out there. High tide's in, so we're going out. Is it recording? Hold on.
What, you tired of holding cameras right now? I wonder if in this pool if I can angle it. What? I said I wonder if in this pool I can angle it. The sky? Huh? What? The sky? Yep. The sky.
What about the sky?
It's up there. Yep. I'll swim beside you. We'll swim beside you. You kicked me. Sorry. We're going back.
The water wasn't even getting in my eyes.
It was for me. Here, we'll tell my dad to swim with me. Weirdo? All the way across? Here, take this.
No, take this. You can record still.
Ready? Go. Go. He's gonna try to swim all the way across. I'm not betting you, I just want to see you do it. You ready? That's what it is. What are you doing? Set, go. He gone. Oh, just let me put on my glasses. What are you doing? Are you trying to squeeze my nipples?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Boom.
You're not giving nothing.
Off of your son?
Died, Ryan. I almost died.
You almost died? You wouldn't take him with you. They were jealous. Now you gotta take him with you.
I don't think I'll make it.
What?
I don't think I'll make it again.
Or just see how far you can go. You gotta take him with you though.
Alright.
It's already recording. Did
I
you
know.
press the button again?
No, I didn't press it again. If these people would get out of the way.
There's people behind you too.
I know. I wasn't talking about them. I was talking about those people. Ryan, you ready? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it again.
From Luke's point of view. I'll go double glasses.
I'll do it without glasses because it's kind of easier.
What's up, Dad?
Alright.
Dad.
You gotta put one pair backwards. Alright. I'm gonna squeeze in right there. Go all the way across. Ready? Set. Yeah. It was harder though. It was a lot harder.
Trade. Hand him over. My precious. Do it. Outside now, we might be going back down to the pool later. What's up, Luke? We're heading over to the parking garage for my mom. Look at how nice this is. Just look at it. Would you just look at it? There's the hotel. You just stepped on me, yeah. Mother trucker, there's the hotel we're staying at. Right there, if any of you guys want to stay here. I'd recommend it. It's a good hotel.
Yeah, it is.
It's like
And
really
it's
good.
chocolate.
We're gonna eat at the place here tomorrow, right, for lunch? Or for dinner? Is that what my mom said? So, fun time. Alright, I know that this ending does not make sense because he's not going to look the same as he just did, and I'm not going to look the same as I just did. Stay tuned for the next vlog after this for that. But sorry for the late episode. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. What do I say next?
Peace.